Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video here, I'm going to do an update here for Elrond. Right now we are trading at $56.51. 24-hour volume, we're down 18.65%, and market cap, we are down 0.13%. So heading over to the chart, I'm only going to do two time frames here, which is the day and then immediate short term for 4 hours. But quickly taking a look on the day, we have really had a good stride here ever since, price consolidated for Elrond, hitting resistance, coming down to an area of support roughly around October 2nd, and huge strides. And notice how far we are, immediately from our 20 moving average and our 50 moving average, which is continuing to grow. And again, hopefully grow for the better, because if we take a look closely, we can see some selling features on this day chart here. So we can see last week we ended it, or yesterday, I'm sorry, we ended in a shooting star candlestick. So we can see the body is mainly at the very bottom here. We can see the wick itself is really no wick or little wick itself. And we can see that the wick at the very top is twice the size of the body. Now, this does represent an exhaustion of this uptrend. Of course, we had, some really good pullbacks and then exceeded upwards. But seeing a candlestick such as this, we are most likely going to retrace down. And I'm really, really hoping that we do just stop at 61% at $53.77. We can see a few candlesticks here retracing to this really nice area of support. And again, we are considered as overbought here from this peak, getting rejected down, seeing all of the selling feature, and most importantly, our MACD indicator. Now, I love the MACD indicator and I love the RSI. That's why it's always on my videos. But essentially, we do see weakness as the price was coming up, and eventually, it is going to change. And if we do see that change coming it down and correcting ourselves because we are considered as overbought, then essentially we may not hold the 61% of our fib, and we may retrace downwards such into our next area of retracement here of 50%, which is $52.10. Now, notice that this retracement level is beyond our 20 moving average. And essentially, whenever we break through moving averages, the trend is over. So this beautiful trend that started on October 2nd, breaking through our 20 moving average, breaking through our 50 moving average, this trend as a short secondary trend will be broken if we cannot hold the 61% or even the 50% as well, because sometimes we do have false breakouts. And again, hoping that would occur here. But let's dive in to our 4-hour time frame. So our 4-hour time frame, again, we can see that selling pressure occur. We can see that bounce coming down from our 20 moving average, coming to our 61% of our fib, our golden number, and then coming up and retesting. Now take a look at this here. We do have an essential engulfing candlestick, but again, the candlestick is quite not done yet. We do want to wait until the session has finished, but we do have a few signs here. So number one sign is our RSI. We are retrace that word. We are considered to be oversold, or may consider to be oversold here at 78% and 70% as well. So we do anticipate price may come up just slightly here. It doesn't look too good, as the body itself we can see is already engulfing the previous candlestick, and most importantly at 20 moving average where it is, we are currently below the 20 moving average. And lastly, here is our MACD indicator. We can see that we are in the red. Kind of looks like a little teeth with these red histograms or these bars itself, but we do see that it is growing. Let's double check the lines here. Again, if we see an expansion of this, we are most likely breaking through areas of support. Mainly what we are going to be watching for is the 61%. So if you don't see 61% being held and we see that crossover of our RSI, then be prepared for our next retracement level at $55.30. So that's my video for Elrond. I know we're seeing a lot of heavy selling pressure all across the board today. Hope you guys are being safe out there, make smart choices. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you next time. Bye.